Hey, Bodo users. So we're going to do a demo on how to use the new call smart contracts block. So let's drag the block in and we see we want a contract address and a function name. For this demo, we're going to do ETH USD price using Chainlink's oracles. So we can follow this contract address link. That'll take us to Etherscan. And copy this address, and we need to make sure that the contract is verified on Etherscan. We can see that it is based on the check mark here. So I'm going to paste the contract address here. And now we need the function name that we're going to call. So we can actually, if we go to the contract code and do read contract, we can see the readable functions. So you can only work with the read-only functions. For this example, we want latest answer. So this gives us in as a UNT 256 the latest answer for ETH to USD. Make sure to write it in exactly how you see it there in camel case. And if you need parameters, you're just going to need to have them comma separated. Strings, you're going to need to wrap in double quotes, and Boolean as true or false. And now let's go ahead and do an output for this. And before we do an output, we're just going to add a calculator block. This is specific for this use case. So we're going to take our call result, which is the result of reading the smart contract, and we're going to divide it by 10 to the power of 8. Let me throw in also the channel ID and the message. And we're going to do a calculated result here. So let's go ahead and turn on our bot and run it. And we're going to check on our Discord, and we see the price here. And we can do one more thing, which is format that to do decimal places. And we're going to do a quick flicker. It should be updating. And now we have a readable value. Ethereum to USD, we're using Chainlink. We're doing a call to an Ethereum smart contract and getting the latest answer in this case. That's all with the call smart contract block. Excited to see what we can build as a community with this new functionality.